All right, what's good, traders? Hope you guys are good, and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm a little bit tired. That's because I just come from gym, right? And as I was working out, um, I was just thinking, and it led me to the idea of today's video, you know. And yeah, as you saw by the title, today I want to talk about self-care, right? And this is not a foreign concept. We've heard about it all over, but I don't see a lot of people talking about it, especially in the trading space. And so today, I want to shed the light on that topic and also why it is important for traders to embrace that concept. So, first of all, let me start off by saying that, in business, there's a generally accepted idea that if you want to improve productivity in your company, if you want to boost staff morale, if you want to reach your targets as a company, one of the things that you have to do is take care of your employees. How do you take care of your employees? Making sure that they work in reasonable working conditions, making sure that you pay them well. And so, as a trader, you need to understand that you are both your employer and your employee. And if you want to improve in your trading career, you need to learn to take care of yourself. The reason why you have to understand why this conversation is so important is because there are generally three pillars, or what I call three pillars, of a profitable trader. The first pillar being your trading strategy, right? So, how good is your trading strategy? How accurate is your trading strategy? The second point being your capital. Now, we'll talk about capital in detail in other conversations, right? But the third one is psychology, right? Now, when you talk about trading psychology, there are multiple layers to this thing called trading psychology. One of them being money management. And when we're talking about money management, we're talking about risk management, we're talking about position sizing and having a trading plan on all of those things. Now, another layer that people do not necessarily talk about when they're talking about trading psychology, they don't talk about your mental state. And I'd even go on to argue that more than 50% of your trading performance relies on your mental well-being. And so when I look at a person's trading results overall over a period of 3 months, that will give me insight on what's going on in this person's mind or in this person's head. Most of the time, we chasing strategies. Most of the time, we are chasing all of these things, but we neglecting this man here. Now, if you don't learn to take care of this man right here, unfortunately, it will show in your trading. You understand? So sometimes it's not that you don't have the capital. Sometimes it's not that you don't know what you're doing. It's not that you're trading a wag strategy or anything like that. Sometimes it's just a matter of you not taking care of yourself as your own employee. And so that's what I wanted to talk about. So one of the things that you can do to take care of yourself is taking care of your body. So minding what you eat, exercising. And when I talk about exercise, I'm not necessarily saying that you must now go to the gym. Something as simple as washing your car regularly, something as simple as doing your garden or mowing your lawn every now and then, something as simple as taking frequent walks. Those are small physical activities that can contribute massively to your mental health. Second of all, you need to be aware of the content that you're consuming. You need to be aware of the music that you're consuming. Anything that's not contributing to your well being or to your growth, you need to learn to take it out. You need to learn to take out distractions. And I'm not necessarily saying do not embrace the idea of being entertained. I'm not necessarily saying be an uptight person who only listens to motivation, all of that stuff. But you need to learn that whatever it is that you are watching, whatever it is that you spend your time absorbing, it eventually forms part of your thinking, which is why when I'm in talks with my friends or with subscribers sometimes, the one thing that I tell them is they should mind their usage of social media, because social media is one of the things that contribute to your mental state. And so you need to be mindful of the people that you follow. You need to be mindful of the content that you're engaging in. If you're always engaging in content that pollutes your mind, it will eventually affect your mental health. And so that's the second thing. The third thing is how you talk to yourself. When you look in the mirror, what do you say to yourself? Most of the times, we are often hard on ourselves for things that are outside of our control. And so you need to learn to congratulate yourself for achieving small targets, for achieving small goals, but also do not be too critical on yourself for your failures. You need to be self-aware. Yeah, I'm not saying live in delusion, live in la la land, but you need to be kind to yourself. You need to learn to be kind to yourself. You need to learn to take frequent breaks from trading. You understand? Sometimes trading is too stressful on us. And so you need to learn to take frequent breaks. And so those are the three things that you can do. I'm sure there's more to that list than what I've just mentioned. But all in all, my message or the main idea that I wanted to put across in this video is that you are your most valuable employee. You are your most valuable asset. You can have a best strategy, you can have capital, but if you yourself are not doing well, your trading is not going anywhere. And what you need to learn as a trader is you need to learn to take care of yourself. um I hope this made sense, and I like to do more chats like this. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. For now,